Hello students, how are you? Hope you are doing fine. Today we are going to do exercise 5.4 in the chapter Exponential and Logarithmic Functions. So let's start with the first problem. Find the value of x for each of the following equations. So let's do A. A is log base 2 of x equals 3. It's fairly straightforward. If you want to remove the log, we have to write it in exponent form, which is x equals 2 raised to 3. Therefore x equals 8 is the answer. Now let's do B. Log base x of 9 equals 2, which means 9 equals x square, or x equals square root of 9, which is equal to plus 3 or negative 3. Now we have to carefully look at this. X cannot be negative 3 because x is the base of this logarithmic equation. Log to the base x of 9, therefore x cannot be negative. Therefore x equals 3, as negative 3 is rejected since log base negative 3 is undefined. Therefore the answer is plus 3. Now let's do C. Log base 4 of 8 equals x. Therefore 8 equals 4 raised to x. And how can we do this? Now 8 can be written as 2 cubed equals 2 squared whole power x, because 4 can be written as 2 square and whole power x, and 8 can be written as 2 cubed. Now this is 2 cubed equals 2 power 2x, and therefore equating the indices, (3) equals 2x, or x equals 3 over 2. This is our answer. Now let's move on to the second problem. Find the value of x for each of the following equations. So we'll start with A. Log x equals 0.61, and we know LG represents log to the base 10. So writing this in the index form, x equals 10 raised to 0.61, and calculating this, we get x equals 4.07. So this is the answer for A. Now let's do B. Natural log of x the whole square equals 3. Now natural log, it's not log of x square, it's log x the whole square. The square is for the entire term. So we need to get natural log of x. So taking square root on both sides, this will be natural log of x equals plus or minus square root of 3. And if you write in index form, there are two possibilities. So x equals e power plus root 3 or e power negative root 3. We have to consider both the cases, and let's do them one by one. X equals e power root of 3, taking the positive value first. This is 5.65 after applying the value for e and root 3, and simplifying this, you will get the answer 5.65. X equals, the second case is x equals e power negative root 3. Again, if you substitute the values, you will get the answer as 0.177. So x has got two values, 5.65 and 0.177, based on e power plus root 3 and e power negative root 3. Now let's do C. This is natural log of x equals log of 2. Right side is log to the base 10, and left side is natural log of x. So we have to be a little careful. So writing it in index form, we can write this as x equals e raised to log 2. Very important, log 2 is log to the base 10, and if you substitute the values, we'll get the answer, which is 1.35. Now let's do So this is C. Let's do D. Log of 3x equals 9, and here important thing is it's log to the base 10. Now therefore writing it in index form, this will be 3x equals 10 raised to 9 and x equals 10 raised to 9 over 3. And if you simplify this, you'll get the answer 3.33 into 10 raised to 8. So that's about it.